Guys, one bedroom naman dito sa Uptown Bonifacio, BGC. Check natin.
So upon entering guys, we have the kitchen, 2-burner cooktop, range hood, premium kitchen cabinet, and 2-door na refrigerator. So here's the dining area and the balcony for the common areas guys. And here is the living area, of course, with split type aircon and floor to ceiling full glass window for natural lights guys. So now let's go here for the toilet and bath. So it's complete with sanitary fittings already. And here's for the bedroom. And yes guys, kung napapansin nyo, corner unit siya. So it also comes with modular closet and split type aircon. So we also have balcony. So guys, kung naghahanap kayo ng investment or ng unit na para sa inyo, pinaka nire-recommend ko yung mga bagong project namin dito sa Uptown Bonifacio, BGC. Dahil nag-o-offer kami ngayon ng no down payment promo, 0% interest. So kung interesado kayo guys, message nyo lang ako. And that's it guys. Bye!